Hi guys, it's August 23rd and I wanted to give you a quick update on how everything looks here on the property. Everything is like in full bloom. I've got my pops of color here in the door like I wanted, along with these beautiful sunflowers. Some of them are down. That's what happens with sunflowers, really. Some of them I've cut that were down and I just took them into the house. Beautiful tomato, we've got some chives, some butter peas, and another, I think this is a black creme tomato. Starting some cilantro. This is going to be a lettuce area, too hot. More butter peas right here. And look at the shot, look at how full the whole house is here. This is tomatoes and zucchini, and up against the door fencing was cucumbers. That's that General Lee cucumber. Now I did have the wheelbarrow over here, but a groundhog or raccoon came and knocked it down. So I put it over here towards the side, and it's kind of wedged in here with the trees. So hopefully that will secure it a little bit. And here I've got the butter peas, carrots, some tomato. Look at this. You can see how nice and full this is now. Beans, beautiful beans growing up this stick. Let's see, right here. Butter peas. This I got trash picking. More beans. So another zucchini started. This is the Lawrence Hands. I offer any animal in the yard a nice refreshing drink of water. And this is those new Blue Boy tomatoes. And if you look, it kind of looks like it's modeled after a peppermint candy, but instead of red and white, it is green and blue. And look at how fantastic these banana peppers are coming along here. These purple pansies, still gorgeous. Oh, here, let's have a nice side view here. Nice. I'm in zone 5. Okay, there you go. Another shot of, I think that's 4 or 5 tomato plants there. And the cucumbers, these are those General Lees. You can see they give quite an abundance. So great pick, Mother. Great pick. And here's the zucchini. Got 2 big whompers down here I'm going to take care of in just a minute. Sorry about the air conditioner. So we'll come out here to the tomato bin since that's going on. And I've got more butter peas. Lots of tomatoes. Lots of all different varieties out here, really. And a lot more peppers. And yeah, this is all weeded, but quite honestly, I'd rather step on these weeds than the little stones and pebbles that are out here. So I intentionally leave it weedy for my little Tootsie's comfort. I think these are going to be black cremes right here, which I love. And this thing is just monstrous. This looks like it's four tomatoes have grown together is what that looks like to me. Oh, these are wonderful right here. Love these. Those are sweet 100s. Got that row of carrots that whatever keeps eating. And these are kind of leaning. These are those long keepers. I'm not a big fan of those for fresh eating, but I will chop those off for a nice salsa. And here are those green onions I started. I took the rest out. I made the video on the autumn onions, and these should probably be ready again in autumn probably. This is the all year round lettuce. So now let's go over here to the $0 bed, and you can see how big that is. The corn's gone. I kept a few of the stalks. I believe this is a black creme. This has got to be either a giant Belgium or a mortgage lifter. Here's some more of those indigo series. Sweet 100s all around here and at the corner, which is easy to get those little tiny tomatoes if you plant them on the end in the corner. The potatoes, some corn here, more tomatoes, and this is that little mini melon I kept talking about, and it's growing and I can't wait. And I also have got 2 more. Where are those bad boys at? Right here. There they are. 2 more here. And then I seen that another little bud was coming up here. And it is intermingled with this tomato plant, but that's okay. And this one's also French. This is the one that starts its name with True, which I always think about Khloe Kardashian's baby. Oh, look at that, another one. Beautiful, beautiful. This is the other French melon, and it's called like Carmise or something like that. And I've got one in here, super excited. I've got, Lord have mercy, look at this. Another one, and another one. So I am pleased. I didn't get a lot, but it is the first year I'm growing them. It is a learning year. I'm on a learning curve, and even if the groundhogs get these, I am going to pick the seeds off of the ground. As to what they leave, I don't care. This one doesn't grow up the trellis as well at all. This one is just doing it. It's a self-starter. It's got some initiative to climb. This one, not so much. A little lazy. Okay, and then I took one of the little baby watermelons off. I've still got one more here attached. They don't seem to be growing that much. So I'll cut that other one. We've just got so much to eat, I haven't gotten to it. And that's it. I mean, there is a lot of food production out here. Here, there was about 4 rows of sweet corn. Probably got about 1 row after the groundhogs, possums, or raccoons, whatever, got a hold of them. And here, I've got some all-American lettuce growing here. Because I had to go and buy some lettuce today, and I'm not pleased about that. So, there's the driveway, garden, rocking and rolling here. Look at how tall that is. This is a really nice one. I'm not sure which one this one is. Nice. And everything up here. So you do not need a regular garden to grow anything. Have a great day. Love you. Please subscribe.